Hello everybody, so Hallucinations here. So I'm just gonna do a showcase of the Superb Warfares mod. Let me just set my game mode to survival. Okay, so if you look over here, you'll see some armor. So there's some US armor. There's a vest, a US vest, Russian armor. Yeah, they got their own. This is a German helmet. This is what it looks on a person. See its effects or stats. Plus 2 armor, plus 1 toughness, plus point 0.1 bullet resistance. Alright, so now this applies tons of armor. You can see. Wow, applies a lot. Next is the US, so yeah, let's put that on. Damn, it's the same stats, the other one. Expect them to be kinda different, but yeah. So these are the explosives and grenades, but we'll get onto them later. So let's start with the guns. Very cool. So now I'll only showcase one gun since there's too much. So I'll showcase the QBZ 951. Does and the bullets are infinite because of this singular thing. It has the error texture. As you can see, the reload animation is very cool, and it has some Japanese or Chinese symbols. I don't know. Way back. The melee weapons. Also, let's talk about the target, the one I just recently used. It literally tells you the distance and damage you did. So I did 9 damage, my distance was 1.7 meters. Now I can get farther, and yeah. And the heavier the weapon, just like this hammer, it's, quite like heavy. And the crit, it's a normal attack damage is 14. But if you crit, you do 21 damage. Well, it's pretty OP in a fight. You can literally one tap a person. Next is the T baton. You do 13.5 damage. Electric baton. As you can see, it does electric damage, but damage is kinda low. I'm literally critting and it does 4.5 damage. And a metal pipe. Metal pipe does more damage than the electric baton. The T baton. It does 15 damage when you crit. 10 damage when you don't crit. So let's put back all of these. And then barbed wire, you take damage when you touch this, so yeah, of course, don't touch it. Sandbags, these are bulletproof. Now let's get to the interesting part, the vehicles. Yeah, let's test the container. And to open the container, you need crowbar. So now we have a truck over here. So yeah, if you turn alt to dismount, it appears to have no fuel, but of course that's fine. You could probably drive. Wonder if you can off-road. Now let's get to the interesting parts. The grenades. Let's take smoke grenades and anti-tank mines. Also, we have these mortars. These big boys. If you load in chasing them, they will fire. Now, it actually shot so far that it literally missed where it was supposed to hit. That's fine. So this is the field of testing, grenade testing area. Originally a shooting range. Yup. Right over there. I was trying to make a shooting range like yesterday. So yeah, let's show that. Alright. Ooh, it actually works. Let's do a hand grenade. Did damage just by hitting it. 82 damage by exploding. RG upgrade. Also T1s. Somehow the targets are still floating and are not destroyed. Now I want to test the anti-tank mines. What? Wait, did it get disarmed? Oh, I think. Yo, yeah, it only used for tanks, I guess. I mean, it's an anti-tank mine. And then let's start using these. These are so OP. This is a missile launcher. Yeah, let's fire at these. It's like an RPG, but it does more damage and it absorbs all the recoil. As you can see, very tough, very cool. Now I still kind of want to ride these, so go game mode creative. I think we need something fuel, gas. These. I'll just check the keybinds. Fire mode, edit weapon, breed. Why do we need to breed? Vehicle lock target zoom. So yeah, I don't know which one it is. So let's just take it off and then let's go to the vehicles and then wheelchair. Zombies requires fuel. Oh yes. Get off. It's now running. It's now running. Okay, so let's run this huge thing. I know how big it will be, so let's just put here. Not that one, bro. Not that wheelchair. Golly. AP shell. Yeah, this one. It doesn't even damage the ground. What? Ooh, look at those. It does destroy blocks. Let's destroy that missile launcher. And the missile launcher is going to clap back. Reload. God damn. It dropped nothing. Of course, bro. A huge thing that shoots massive missiles and contains so much debris and so much metal inside will not drop metal. That totally makes sense. Anyways, bye bye guys. That's the end of my showcase. Bye bye.